Hey guys, if your garage opener is making that sound, it's probably time to change your battery. And if you have a screen on your panel, it might also let you know that you need a new battery. So changing the battery is super easy. All you need is a screwdriver and of course a new battery. I purchased the one by Chamberlain, but there's also other brands that you can buy. I'll have a link to this one in the descriptions. Alright, so what you want to do is go to the side with the battery door, and then this cover just pops open if you pull on it. Alright, and so there's just one screw that you have to take out. Okay, and you can see the old battery inside. So what you want to do is just pull this battery out and also wiggle the red and black tabs out. So the red is positive, black is negative. There we go. So it says this battery was manufactured in 2018, but we got this garage opener installed around 2020. So it lasted us about 5 years. And also, once you take this battery out, the beeping instantly stops. So here's the new battery. It was manufactured on June 9th, 2025. And you can also write down your installation date. So let's remove these tabs. And of course, if you are not able to climb a ladder safely, please ask someone for help, because a hospital bill will be much more expensive than calling a garage repair guy to come over. All right, so let's pop this in. Okay. Slide that in. Okay. And the beeping stopped. And now we just have to put the cover back on. Perfect. Close this back up. Click, and now it shows the battery is charging, and that's it. We're all done. Again, this whole process was super easy and it only took a few minutes. If you're not able to climb a ladder, please, please, please call someone for help. The battery on Amazon was less than $30, but there were other brands that were a little cheaper. Anyways, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.